Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this update, we have added some exciting new features to our Trackocity that will make it even easier to track a custom source, manage your product database, add text to a spend, and analyze your ad creative. These updates give you a more control over your data and help you to make a better decision for optimizing your campaign. So let's go through this one by one. First feature is a settings section, in which you have two tabs, tag and database. In a tag section, you will find a URL field where you can now track any source or the channel by defining a UTM rule. With this means you have a complete flexibility to set up a tracking of any traffic source you want. For example, you want to track a email traffic, you can define a display name as a UTM and set a UTM field as a UTM source and assign a value as an email. Now, you can also categorize traffic even further at campaign using a UTM subfield, like here UTM medium used. Once you set up this, Trackocity will automatically start tracking a specific channel and display our data across your reports. For example, in your reporting section, you will start seeing an email as a traffic source. Click on it will allow you to see all the associated data, including a new user and the conversion. Going back to a settings section, new tab is the database, where you can manage your product database. This feature is useful if you are a non-Shopify user. If you are a Shopify user, Trackocity will automatically pull your data, so you don't need to do anything. However, if you are using another platform, you can manually enter the product details here. You can define each product, including cost and price, whether it's a webinar, ebook, or any digital or physical product. These ties into our next feature, which we have introduced new two fields in our reporting: gross margin percentage and gross profit. These fields help you to calculate your true profitability by taking your revenue, subtracting ad spend, and deduction of the product cost. If you keep your product cost updated into a database, Trackocity will automatically calculate your margin and profit for each campaign, given you are a clear picture how much you are making. Another update, we have made a tax rate customization. Now, you can add a tax rate to your ad spend calculation. For example, if you want to apply a 18% tax rate, you can simply enter it in our settings and save it. Once applied, all your spend calculation will be include a tax, which will reflect it across your reports. If you turn the tax off, the spend will be recalculated without it. This feature gives you a more accurate financial insight based on your specific tax requirement. And finally, we have introduced a creative tracking for the YouTube ads. Now you can track and analyze your YouTube creative are performing, just like you do for the other platform. The YouTube analysis section provides detailed insights into your each creative, helping you understand which ads are driving best results. We have also added a filter option, allowing you to search for the specific YouTube creative easily. Unlike Facebook, which has both video and image creative, YouTube only supports a video, but you can still filter and analyze them just like you would do for the Facebook ad. These updates give you a more control, better tracking, and deeper insight into your ad performance. Now, go ahead and explore these new features into our Trackocity and let us know how they are helping us. And don't forget to subscribe